स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बडी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से स्कॉलरशिप देखने वाले गाइस, और स्कॉलरशिप के साथ मैं आपको इंटर्नशिप भी बताने वाला हूँ जो कि बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट इंटर्नशिप है गाइस। ठीक है, तो आपने इंटर्नशाला का नाम सुना होगा गाइस। इंटर्नशाला की तरफ से गाइस मोर देन 50 प्लस इंटर्नशिप्स आई हैं, जो कि लेटेस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो लोग डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। प्लस जो एक आपको मैं इंटर्नशिप बताऊंगा जो कि अगेन गवर्नमेंट इंटर्नशिप है गाइस, उनकी तरफ से आपको प्रॉपर सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाएगा, प्लस स्टाइपेंड भी दिया जाएगा। तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी है। जो लोग भी इंटरेस्टेड है तो वो लोग जल्दी से जल्दी एनरोल कर सकते हैं। प्लस अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना, और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर देना, जिससे कोई भी आपका अपडेट मिस नहीं हो। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट मी शेयर माई स्क्रीन। So guys, I went to this official page of Internshala in which you can see internship with dream companies up to rupees 1.5 lakh. ठीक है, तो guys ये basically guys उनके लिए जो लोग who all are in college right now, first year, second year, third year, or even class 11th or 12th students can also apply in this internship guys. So here you can see like there are various companies which are hiring for internship. That is the some of the famous companies are Decathlon, Lenskart, Nykaa, and then you can see the up to like rupees 1.5 lakh you will be getting as a stipend starting bonus. There will be some different vouchers and all up to rupees 10,000 with Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, so you can see if we talk about the this internships fair. So Internshala like offers internship fair every 3 months, yeah, every quarter we can say. So you can see here from 6th August to 13th August, guys. So today is 8th August, guys, right? So you have enough of time, so you can directly enroll in this participation. And once you will enroll in this participation, you will automatically get internship notifications from Internshala, guys. So बहुत ही amazing platform है guys, Internshala. Those who don't know about the Internshala, I have created one video on Internshala. You can watch that video. I will post that video at the end of the video. Okay. So here you can see this early contest also, guys. So those who want to share this to your friends to get a early access of participation, they can do that. Otherwise, I would recommend don't do this. Just you can directly enroll, participate in this. So there is one option, participate now. Okay. So you need to click on that. After clicking, you can see now apply to the dreams before share. Invite your friends to register for the campaign with early access to the internship, guys. So what you need to do, guys, yeah, either you can share on the LinkedIn, or you can just copy the link and like send it to your family members. Okay, so what happens, like once you send to your family members, they just apply and they will click. So once they apply and click, you will be getting a joining bonus, 1 or 2 coins. Okay, so those who will be getting early 5 access, they will be getting a five, like you need to do 5 referrals. Okay, so you will be getting a 7,000 ptm cash, or either for first prize and second prize 3,000 ptm cash, guys. ठीक है, so those who want to apply, guys, आप directly you can just you need to like send to 4 to 5 for referrals. That's it, and afterwards you will directly participate in this camping, guys. So amazing camping, guys. Those who want to participate, they can directly participate in this Internshala offering internship with dream companies. Now if we talk about the government internship, the government internship is National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, guys. तो उनकी तरफ से गाइस बेसिकली ये इंटर्नशिप आई है, जिसको अपन सरल भाषा में बोलते हैं NIELIT। तो गाइस ये दिस इज बेसिकली वर्क फ्रॉम होम इंटर्नशिप, गाइस। और ये बेसिकली क्या है, वर्क बेस्ड लर्निंग प्रोग्राम है, WBL। ओके, so what happens, guys, the main objective of this program is to provide an opportunity to SC, ST, EWS women candidates to acquire technical skills and emerging technologies that make them industry related. Okay, so what happens, like real time working skills, technology use, problem solving skills, in which different reasoning will be covering, like ideation, analytical thinking, interpersonal skills, etc. Okay, so what happens, like the selected candidates are mentored by the scientists and experts at NIELET Bhubaneswar, guys. So once what happens, guys, first you need to clear the entrance exam. Okay, so after clearing the entrance exam, you will be get those candidates who are selected, they have an interview. Once you clear the interview, then you will be getting a training from NIELIT, which is National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, guys. So it's an amazing platform, guys. Those who want to do this government internship, guys, they can directly enroll in this program. Now, if we talk about the advantages part of this program, so first you will be getting to facilitate SC, ST, EWS women candidate from the transition from the college environment to the corporate world. So you will be getting a corporate world experience, guys. Second, you will be getting a practical experience to fresh graduate engineers or emerging technologies and future skills. Then you will be getting a in-hand experience of how to tackle with different parameters and all. Okay, then you can see if we talk about the program, like how many time duration will be there and all. So here you can see the WBL candidates would undergo professional learning under the guidance of allocated supervisor. Okay, and this training is for 6 months, guys. You can see, right? At the end of 6 months by the technical monitoring and evaluation committee. Okay, so what happens, like there are basically two levels, guys. First level is certified for level 1, then we recommend for selection for level 2, जो कि WBL है 6 months की, guys. So those who want to like participate, first they need to clear level 1, then they will be move on the level 2, guys. ठीक है. If we talk about the areas which will be covered, that then you can mention in your resume also. So you can write skills like IT and cyber security, data science, internet of things, artificial intelligence and machine learning, guys. Okay, so you can mention these skills in your resume, guys. Now if we talk about the stipend part, the stipend part is main in every company, guys. You also know that, right? So candidates undergoing work-based learning programs would be issued remunerations up to rupees 10,000 per month per candidate, guys, which inclusive of all the charges, guys. So this is amazing opportunity, guys. You will be getting a 10,000 rupees per month in your college days only. So you can manage your college also, plus you can manage your work life also, guys. So this is an amazing opportunity, guys. I would recommend directly you can participate in this program. Okay, now if we talk about who can apply, so the pass out or pursuing the 7th or 8th semester BE, BTech or equivalent to MSc, MCA with at least 50% marks in aggregate, guys. So those they can apply. So guys, these opportunities are only for engineers, guys. Those who are friends of the engineers, like you have friends who are doing BTech or who have completed BTech and all, they can directly apply for this internship. Plus they have a duration for 6 months. They don't need to do anything apart from this internship, guys. Okay, apart from that, now if we talk about the level 1 and level 2, level 1 like is basically for 6 months, and level 2 is also basically for 6 months, guys. But in level 2, maximum of 50% of selected candidates who have successfully completed level 1 get an opportunity to carry out in level 2, guys. So this is the main like we can say funda. The You need to clear both the levels, guys. Okay, now if we talk about the number of seats total, guys, so number of seats are total 8. Okay, so SC and ST includes 4, women and EWS includes 4, guys. The total will be 8. Okay, so results will be sent to the candidate via email ID or to the candidate's account on AICTE web portal, guys. Okay, AICT stands for All India Council for Technical Education, guys. Okay, so you can directly see in the AICT web portal, or either you will get a mail in your respective mail ID. Okay, now if we talk about the last date, guys, so last date is till 8th August 2022, and guys, today is 8th August, right? So you have ample of time. My video will be uploaded at 3 p.m. So directly you can see and you can share it to your friends. They can directly apply because today will be the last date, guys. Till 8th August, it's clearly mentioned. You can see. So those who want to apply, they can directly apply. Here is the apply now button. You need to click on that. After clicking on the apply now button, you can see there are like work-based learning on NIELT Bhubaneswar. So you can just see the and scroll, and now you can see the job description and all. Just you need to click on the apply now. Then you need to like student. If you are a student, click on student. If you are a university or PU, you can apply in this. So whether let's suppose you are a student, so you need to click on that. You are logging as a student, you need to confirm that. Once you need to confirm that, you need to fill your email ID and email ID and password, and you need to log in that. So simple process. Okay, so once you log in that, guys, you can directly apply in this government internship, guys. This is amazing internship, guys. Those who get selected, guys, they have a good opportunity in future also, guys. Okay, so guys, तो आज के लिए अपन इतने ही रखते हैं. गुड बाय, गाइस. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टेक केयर, गाइस. बाय बाय.